How to use Squarespace website. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video I will show you how you guys can use a Squarespace website. So when you guys have your Squarespace website open, you guys are gonna see something like this. So now from over here, you guys can simply double click anywhere and you guys can modify that text. So for example, if I were to choose this text, I can type in over here, this is my website. You guys can simply double click on the text at the bottom and you guys can change that as well. This is a sample website, and then after that you guys can scroll down, you guys can double click on this text as well and you guys can change it up too. You guys can also change up the images as well. So simply click on the image. After that you guys can click on edit section. Now from over here click on background, and then now from over here you guys can simply click on the background image and you guys will be able to change it to a video as well or something of an artistic nature as well. So for now we're gonna choose another image. So I'm gonna delete this image. I'm gonna click on add an image, and now that's gonna take me over to my computer's library, and now I can just simply add in an image over here as well by simply double clicking on it, and now this particular image is going to be on my website. So that is how you guys can add images, videos or art on your Squarespace website. Now similarly, scrolling down, it's the very same thing over and over again. You guys can simply double click anywhere. You guys can move around boxes by simply clicking on them and just simply dragging them, and then after that you guys can even change up text as well. So guys, that is how easy it is to just simply start modifying your Squarespace website and to use your Squarespace website. Once you guys have done everything, simply click on the top left where it says done, and then after that click on save, and your website is gonna be saved. And now of course you guys can design every single page of your website from the left side by following this very same process. So guys, this was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.